so high. If you don't know how to fly, aim for leisure to make you fly. Sky is so high. If you don't know how to fly, aim for leisure to make you fly. Here we go. Here we go.
What are the different types of skin? Dry, oily, normal, sensitive, combination. How many of you think your skin is dry? Or how many of you think their skin is oily? Normal? Sensitive? Combination? Okay. What is a dry skin? When you get up in the morning, if your skin is dry, you feel dry. In summer season, your skin feels okay. In winter season, it's excessively dry. So that is a dry skin. What is oily skin? But then what? Prone to acne.
Yes.
So dry skin is prone to wrinkles. So dry skin people get wrinkles, they get aged easily. And oily skin don't age easily. That's a good thing for them. They look young, they look fresh. Okay. Oily skin during again winters they feel the skin is nice, shiny. During summers they are always sweating. What is normal skin? Which is not oily and which is not dry. Some people have a combination skin, that is T-zone. Forehead and nose very oily and the face dry. That is combination skin. And sensitive skin, everybody thinks that the skin is sensitive, but ideally a sensitive skin is like they are sensitive to pollen grains, they are sensitive to any smell, so they get reaction on the skin. So there are times when our skin is sensitive and we think, because of some oiliness or something like that, we're getting pimples. It's not because of oily skin, it is because of the sensitive of you can be sensitive to smell, strong smell, or any natural smell, or any pollen grains or something like that. Shubham, did that work? The advice I gave you? That was because of the reaction to the product, right? Okay. So he had a concern. Can I discuss with them? Can I discuss with them? Okay. He had a concern of after shaving getting outbreaks. So that was because of the product which he was using. So if you guys, if you have outbreaks after shaving, go for cleanser. Shave with a cleanser. Use a cleanser for shaving instead of shaving foam. Okay. Some people have they think sandalwood is best for your skin, but it's not really. It suits for everyone. Some people get reaction from sandalwood. For my skin, if I use sandalwood, my skin will have acne and tiny pimples here. And for some people, even aloe vera gel does not suit. So don't think it's suiting everybody. Everybody is using aloe vera gel, so I can also use aloe vera gel. Check how your skin reacts to each product. Okay. The one with the normal skin is very blessed person. Okay, no problem at all. Hardly taking care of the skin. You know, if you wipe your face even with some dirty towel also, your skin will be fine because you have a normal skin. Okay, so what is the daily cleansing routine? Bolo? Okay. Why do you take bath every day? Very good is okay, one of the points. Then next.
Very fresh.
Yes, white feel fresh. So the dead skin cells, to it next, but what is the daily skincare routine?
Using moisturizer,
So we start with cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. With protection. How you protect with sunscreen. So there are people still might be using soap. How many of you use soap for your face? Don't lie. Face wash? Face wash? It's okay if you're using soap. Stop using soap from today. Use a cleanser. Okay? Cleanser can be water based. Cleanser can be, you get milk based cleanser. So those who have dry skin go for, milk based cleanser or something like that. But if you have oily skin, you have to have deep pore cleanser, which cleans your skin properly. Okay, so a deep pore cleanser is required for a proper cleansing. Hmm? Then after cleansing, why toning is important? Why using a toner is important?
Ma'am, for oily skin, what type of cleanser, ma'am?
You have to use deep pore cleanser.
D?
Deep pore, P-O-R-E. Pore.
Okay, ma'am.
You can also use twice in a week scrub also, but only twice in a week, not every day. What? Okay. It was 5 minutes. Scrub twice in a week. Why toning is important? See, when you're doing a deep pore cleansing, you're opening your pores. Okay? You have to bring your pores to the normal size. Otherwise, what will happen? Any pollution will get stuck to your skin and you will get outbreaks. Okay? So after cleansing, you have to do toning. Toning, you can use a toner, alcohol-based toner, which is available in market easily, or you can use natural toners like rose water. Okay. For some people, ice also works fine. Okay. One more thing, people with dry skin not preferably use toner. Oily skin is required to use toner. Okay. Then comes next is moisturizer. Okay. For the dry skin, use moisturizer on a wet skin. When your skin is wet, that time if you use a moisturizer, it absorbs easily. Okay. So for dry skin,
Ma'am, what is the main reason for toning, ma'am?
the toning, see, you are using a deep pore cleanser, right? So you are opening your pores. Skin pores are open. To bring that to the normal size, you have to tone it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. For moisturizing, it becomes important, especially for dry skin. But even for non-dry skin, you have to use at least sunscreen. Protection is very important. Now somebody will say sunscreen use करता है मेरा skin, my skin, my skin goes more oily. I have oily skin and my skin appears more oily. Then what? The right SPF should be selected. No, SPF 15 is for oily to normal skin. And if you have dry skin, then go for higher SPF, which is around 30. SPF is skin protection factor. So it has more moisturizer in it if the SPF is higher. If people who swim, they can use sunblock. See, you must have seen the cricketers wearing that white thing. Why they are wearing the white thing? That is sunblock. White color does not absorb heat. Okay, so they're blocking the sun. So a layer is formed and it will not absorb heat and it is reflected. So if you know you're out for a longer time and you have to protect your skin, like you're playing cricket or or you swimming or something like that, then use sunblocks. Okay, this is how you protect your skin.
We have to do this daily.
Yes, you have to do this daily. In fact, sunscreen also you have to apply twice in a day because after sweat or everything it comes out, you apply it again. So if you keep if your skin is kept clean, you will not see any outbreaks happening. You will not see any concern as such. Okay. Then the thing is about how do I know it is my skin is dry or normal or oily? How now are you able to judge?
No.
When in the morning when you get up, how do you feel? Oily. No, I'm talking about your skin. How do you feel about your skin? Right. So your skin is dry then. You have to take care of your skin.
I said
Ma'am, but for me in summer season, my face will be a little bit oily, and while winter season, my face is very dry while I'm getting up early.
So it must be a normal skin. So you have to take care as per the season. Take care of your skin as per the season.
Yeah, that's the only thing, ma'am.
Yeah.
It always depends upon the season.
So then you must be having a normal skin. Okay, so you have to take care during the winter season. Apply extra moisturizer when your face is wet, and during summer season, lighten on your moisturizer. Apply ice. During summer season, those who have a lot of outbreaks and oily skin, apply ice. Don't rub ice, just dab ice. Your skin will just be perfect. Okay, what is a good skin and what is a bad skin? What are the skin concerns? What are the skin concerns? Tell me concerns of skin. You all must be having some concerns, right? Okay. Acne, pimple, color, then this is the only concern that blackheads, whiteheads. Then dark circles.
allergy.
Sorry?
Allergy.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
क्या
your
बोल
voice
रही
is
थी?
not clear.
Once again say it.
Your voice is not clear, ma'am.
He is saying that your voice is not clear.
Okay, I'm
Ma'am,
not
your voice
saying
is not
anything, I'm
clear.
just writing.
Yes,
Once now can you hear me properly, right?
right, ma'am.
So I'm just writing, I'm just asking concerns of skin. You all can also say what are your concerns of skin. Black head, white head, anything else? एक्ने के बाद एक्ने मार्क्स भी तो रहते हैं फिर और क्या रहता है
Oily,
wrinkles
oily skin.
oily skin that is common in acne marks uneven skin tone. This is the biggest concern. You are very fair, you are very dark, that is okay, but you don't have to have uneven skin tone. You have to have one skin tone. Then only you look fresh. Okay, you can cover up with the makeup, definitely, but you have to have an even tone skin, not patchy skin. If you have patchy skin, then that makes you appear dull, not so good. You must have been thinking, okay, I have same quality, this person also has same quality, till this person got selected, I got rejected. Why? Because, the appearance also matter. These are the concern of skin. Now, how to solve these concerns? Take care of your skin like I have advised you the daily skin routine. Okay, this is one way. Second way, you have to stay hydrated. Yes, we will write it. Daily skin routine. Daily skin routine. Okay, hydration. Then what else? Cleanliness. Why this is important? Every day you have to try and change your pillow covers almost every day or every alternate day. Those guys who wear helmet, it should be clean. Otherwise, that causes dandruff. I'll be coming to hair next. You can use something there and then over that protect it. Okay, so that you don't have to wash it every day. You cannot wash the helmet every day. Then what else? Because dead skin cells are on your bed everywhere, and you go next day and you're sleeping in it again. Okay. Face wash, yes. Correct food. The good food is food which has protein in it. Because skin is, what is skin? Skin is made of protein. This elasticity is protein. Wear and tear is protein. So those who are non-vegetarian, good news for you. Those who are vegetarian have high amount of protein. Dal, paneer, all these things. Yeah, cheese. But don't get overweight. Yeah. So have good protein. Because everything is protein. Your hair is protein. This is protein. Everything is protein. Okay? Okay. What is hair? What is hair? It is extension of skin only. This is skin, right? So it is extension of skin. So you have to take care of your head also. If you have dandruff, that is one more concern of you getting acne and pimples. If your dandruff is not treated well, you will have acne and pimples. When you wash your hair, make sure that hair water does not come on your face. That can cause breakouts of acne and everything, allergy. Okay? How to avoid dandruff? Who has dandruff concern? Don't raise your hand. I don't want to know. I just solved it. Okay? If you have a dandruff, please wash your hair daily. Daily wash your hair. It's a myth that you lose hair if you wash your hair daily. Okay? Yeah, daily wash your hair and with an anti-dandruff shampoo. It is okay to have use anti-dandruff shampoo every day. That will stop your hair fall also. Trust me. Okay? So to stop your hair fall, dandruff is one of the reasons. What happens? There is pore. Every hair is attached to a pore, right? So it clogs the pore. The dandruff clogs the pore. This makes the strand weak. Okay, and that's why it falls off. Take vitamins, multivitamins, any kind of vitamins which is good for hair and skin. Okay? Any question, any doubt? What is the other concern of hair? You can do hair spa, yeah. While washing the hair also you should do it. You can scrub your hair like this so that it helps in regeneration of new cells. New skin cells are regenerated. There is a totipotency of a cell to regenerate itself. Whenever you get a cut, what happens? It heals. Why it heals? Because the skin has a capacity to heal itself. So if you are scrubbing, you're giving a healthy damage to your skin. So a healthy damage causes a regeneration of new skin cells. That does not mean you take a knife and cut your cells. Okay? So that's how the various treatments have come up. The basic treatment which happens at your home, which you all do, is scrubbing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. We cannot hear.
Hello, but
Ma'am, we cannot hear your voice, ma'am.
it's
Hello?
muted, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice has been muted.
Do you hear, friends?
No.
No, I can't hear.
What happened?
Ma'am,
I can't
we
hear,
can't hear
ma'am.
your voice.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, many people must have entered now in the meeting. That's why it got automated. Sorry. From where you all did not hear?
Uh,
What was the last thing you heard?
cutting the hand.
Okay. We sorry, you all have missed so much. Nothing else. Okay. So that's how the various skin treatments are started. What is the daily skin treatment which you all do is the scrubbing. Okay. Why scrubbing is done? Because you're removing your dead skin cell by scrubbing your face. Okay. So those who have oily skin can do twice in a week. Those who have dry skin hardly all require it very often. But again, dry skin appears very dull because dry skin cells accumulate and it appears dull and you look tired. Even if you're not tired, you look tired. Okay. So nothing happens. And the second aesthetic treatment is peels. What you all do? Peels is chemical peels. It's a chemical way of treating your skin. Again, it removes the red skin cells by absorbing it, and when this wash, that red skin cells comes out. Okay. Now, once the treatment done, you will say, okay, it will not come back again. No, it's not like that. You will definitely go out and expose yourself again, right? So it's like a maintenance. It's like a facial. People do facial, same way it is done. You can do facial also for the blackheads, whiteheads. Once you can do facials as well. If you're toning your skin properly, you don't need blackheads to be. You will be easily getting rid of blackheads and whiteheads. What is actually an acne? Acne is the first is whitehead which comes. The white small thing which you see on your face. After that, the next thing comes is blackhead. Why? It gets oxidized with the air. You cut an apple, you take it, after some time it gets oxidized, right? Now these days it does not get oxidized because it's wax. They have done a wax coating on the apples. So we are eating wax. So the apples get oxidized, same way the whitehead get oxidized. So you get blackheads. After blackheads, what happens? The infection happens and you get pus. That's how pimple comes. So if it is taken care at the first level, the second, third level will be taken care of by itself. Okay. Then people with acne can go for a treatment of skin peels. Okay. People with acne scars can go for a treatment for scar removal. There are people who have basic scars just over the face. That can be treated with peel and polish. Okay, but or some kind of mask which you get in the market, but or some kind of ointments which you apply. That can be treated. But those who have pitted scars, deep pitted scars, for that you need various treatment which has come. One is skin polishing. Again, that is a mechanical way of removing the dead skin cell and leaving toning the skin. The second is you will have plasma-rich protein treatment, where your blood is drawn. It is centrifuge. The white cells are taken. The red cells are discarded. The white cells are injected in your skin. So that is your own protein is treating you. That is good for hair fall also. It is a very good treatment, very good result you get. Okay. These are there is laser treatment for acne also, which can be done. The skin moisture is evaporated because of the heat of the laser. That's how the marks are. It's a healthy damage again to the skin. So once the damage is healthy, the skin will regenerate. Okay. This is all about skin care. Any question, any questions which you all can put and which can help others to also address it.
No, what we can do to get rid
Sorry?
of white hair? White hair,
White
white hair.
hair is heredity. One is a treated, but it can be prevented. Okay, so you have to prevent at the early age. There's a medicine is easily available over the counter drug. If you take that regularly, you can delay the white hair. Uh, 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 because melanin is a pigment which is present in each no treatment for white hair done. Any other thing?
Dots dotted after shaving our face, little bit of dots will come.
Can you say medicine again?
Ma'am, for male. Why is that?
No, they are laughing because they're saying कि male only shaves. Sorry, don't use it. Okay. So you what do you use for shaving? Like, do you use any shaving foam?
Not yes, ma'am.
Okay, maybe you're having an allergy to the shaving foam. So don't use shaving foam. Instead, use a cleanser.
Cleanser.
Apply
Okay.
cleanser and water. Make a mixture of it and use it for shaving. So maybe because of that, you're having an allergy to shaving foam. That's why
Okay.
you guys will be getting the white dot.
Okay.
And also for that white dots, apply ice. Regularly apply ice. Ice is easily available in the fridge, freezer. Apply that.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't apply ice packs. Those will not give so much. It will not be so cold. Apply ice. Wrap in a piece of gauze or tissue or something and dab it in the skin. Anything else of the skincare? Oral care. Why is it important to have a good oral care? You have to smell good. Okay, if you are not smelling good, nobody wants to talk to you.
Yeah.
You will be thinking, why they are not really talk to me? So this is one of the reasons they are not talking to you. Because your oral care is not taken care. Okay, so I think there was one lecture before also where Ajita has told that after having food or something, just don't go and talk to anybody. Just have a mint or gargle. Yeah. There is a mouth freshener, liquid mouth freshener. Just use it. Gargle. That will keep your oral care properly. If you have any dental infection, get that treated as soon as possible. It is one day job these days. Earlier it took 3 days, 3 weeks sometimes. Now it is one day thing. Just take care of it. Okay. Then good order, that is also important. Okay. We are in, especially Mumbaikars, stay in a humid climate. In other places it's a little dry. So your chances of smell is a little higher. Even your shoes you have to take care. The shoes should not smell bad. Your socks have to be clean every day. Okay. Don't tell my mummy did not clean my socks today. I did not get it clean because my mummy was sleeping. My mummy was not keeping well. Okay, mummy ka time is over. You have to take care of your own belongings and everything. Don't be dependent on mummy. All the boys in the class, no mummy anymore. Girls take care since when they are child only they take care. Okay. Uniform. If you are wearing a uniform, give respect to that uniform. Get properly groomed. Okay. Iron. Yes, very good. Well iron uniform. You don't say that today I did not wear uniform. This is a common answer. Jaina, good afternoon, good morning. Good evening. What is the common answer for not wearing uniform? Ma'am, today, it went for laundry. I'm not giving this excuse because I have heard this excuse from the previous batch. Ma'am, it went to laundry, not come back. The moment I was leaving the house, a cup of tea has fallen there. So this excuse will you give at the airport or airline? No, right? 2, 3, whatever you have. You have to make sure that you are coming on time with your well-groomed uniform. That's it. Hmm? I did not get time. I did not had. It was long weekend. I went for shopping like this. Excuses. नहीं चलेगा. Okay. What else? This is for uniform, hygiene, oral care, makeup ingredients. After a break. Be cool in the crisis. On the door. She's the brand ambassador of. She's from South actress or something. हाँ. हाँ. Females who use plastic rubber clips, that can also be a cause of dandruff. Okay. For some people it can cause allergies. For some people, not everybody. Jewelry on hand. What are the jewelries around? One ring, one hand, on each hand, and bracelet also. Watch also should be what watch?
Second one.
Huh?
Second.
Second is okay. What is the other requirement of a watch?
company.
As per the company policy, it should be a formal watch, not a funky watch. This is holy. This is holy. That is holy. This holy. I cannot remove. I follow this God. That God has asked me to wear this and this. If you don't work in this profession, go find another profession. Yes, no, this will not work. Okay. Kada works. Okay. Okay. Earrings also for females. For studs only. No other earring is allowed. No funky earring, only pearl studs. Okay? No, and for guys, no earrings are allowed. But ma'am, after once I get the job, I'll remove it. So you go get the job directly. Don't come here to get a job. Tattoo is being discussed again and again. I think it's a very boring topic for you all now. But you all are not allowed with tattoos. Okay. This does not work actually. That does not work. So whenever you're using any cotton, you use one side of the face with one side, then turn around and use on the other side with other side of the cotton or anything. And whenever you're wiping your leg, don't wipe it downwards or upwards, or wipe it sideways. Just stick here as a wicket, it's like that. There, record me. So I shadow with the moisturizer, but eyeliner with the Vaseline or moisturizer, but with the bud. Okay. Now she needs to clean the face, then tone it and sunscreen, the protection, and after that start the makeup. First you have to apply sunscreen, only then you start your makeup. Okay. Udhar and the lipstick, no? Then. Okay. After protection, then you start with the makeup. So what you will apply first? So cleanse भी करें. Starting से. ये cleansing तो अभी हाँ cleansing toning हो गया, sunscreen लगा दिया आज के बाद का. Sunscreen लो ना. Sunscreen applied in 6 spots. You use the sunscreen like this, any moisture. So you're wasting the cream on your hand. So apply the 6 spots and then just that. Yeah. You can have a music in the background. So, till this step, it applies to guys also. Cleansing, toning, and sunscreen. So, you're getting wrinkles at this stage. Sajid, you have wrinkles at this stage. That's because you're not protecting your skin from sun. You know, even these lights can damage your skin. So it's there everywhere. Earlier only actors used to face these lights. Now everybody is facing these lights because it's there everywhere. So this light also cause damage to your skin. So makeup is always in two steps. First is actually 3 steps. First is cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. The second step is your basic. How you have a basic color. Then the next step is, third step is coloring, giving highlight to the skin. You have to learn this because you have to look even toned. Only thing you don't have to apply the colors.
Timer. After the प्राइमर के बाद आपको कंसीलर भी लगाना है.
Not necessarily everybody needs primer. Okay. Not necessarily everybody needs concealer. If you have, this is foundation. If you have a good skin and you just can apply a concealer. Concealer removing the patchiness of the skin. Okay.
नहीं नहीं
It depends skin to skin.